Hi there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are making a super fun frozen treat.
That's right, Lauren. Today we're making a frozen yogurt bark. I'm so excited.
Me too. So this is a super simple recipe, but perfect to make either as a dessert or even just for a snack when the weather is nice and warm outside and you want something to cool you off.
Definitely. Should we get started?
Yes, so we have our pan here that we're using today, and you can vary your pan size depending on how thick you want your bark to be. But all we've done so far is just put in a piece of parchment paper. You could also use wax paper. This will just help get that bark out so we can break it up when it's ready to serve.
You don't want it stuck in the pan because no one would get to enjoy it.
You don't want that, definitely not. All right, so the star of our show is, of course, yogurt that we're going to freeze. So today we're using Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt, but there's lots of different options.
Yeah, you could use Greek yogurt, you could use regular yogurt, you could use whatever flavor you like. So we chose vanilla because it complements the toppings that we picked today, but really there's so many different combinations that you can make, so get creative.
And we're using a Greek yogurt, but you could use like a regular yogurt if not a fan of Greek yogurt. But really what we want is just make sure we have this large tub. Yeah. Or if you are using more of like an obscure flavor, but they don't always make the large tubs in every single flavor, just make sure you have 32 ounces. That's really what we're looking for. So after we get this in our pan, it's just a matter of evenly spreading it to make our bark. And what we love about this recipe, like we've talked about so far, is you can customize the yogurt. And then we're going to be adding some toppings, which are also really customizable. So this is really just a guide as far as exactly what we're making today. But you can really have fun with this and have fun with your kids making this.
Yeah, this is such a family-friendly treat to not only eat, but to prepare as well. The kids could help with spreading this. They could pick out the different toppings.
And definitely a healthier treat as well, since we are using the yogurt.
Looks good. All right, so on top of our yogurt, we're going to do some strawberries. So we just cut up a few strawberries nice and small.
And we did wash our hands, of course, we always do before cooking. So it's just easier, especially if you do have the kids in the kitchen, have them wash their hands and then have some fun with it and, you know,
add with your food.
Yep, exactly. So as Jenny mentioned, we're doing strawberries, but we were talking about different flavor combinations that we'd like to try with this, and one that I want to try is pineapple with like coconut, sweetened coconut.
Yum.
With the vanilla yogurt would be
really
amazing.
Good. And I think my go-to would probably be like key lime.
Ooh.
So I love key lime pie, and I would say that the key lime yogurt is one of my favorites.
Yes.
So doing that as a base and then putting some like white chocolate chips and graham cracker crumbs on top.
Yum. You could even do like s'mores with graham crackers and chocolate chips and like a vanilla yogurt.
Oh, yum.
So tons of different options. You could do sprinkles if you want to make it more festive. So lots of different things. So have fun with this. Get your kids in the kitchen, and what a quick and easy and better for you like snack or dessert to make.
Definitely.
Get all the chocolate in there. Come on.
Yeah, we need all the chocolate.
Don't skip out on the chocolate.
These mini chips are the perfect size for this. So you don't get too big of a bite of chocolate.
So our next step, Jenny's gonna bring this back there, but what we'd do is we'd pop this in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours just until everything kind of freezes over solid so that you can break it into smaller pieces to enjoy.
Yeah.
So this one we made in a smaller pan, so it is a little bit thicker, but definitely an option just depending on what you like. So now we're just going to break it so we can eat it. So if you served it as a dessert, you wanna like serve it right away.
Yeah.
But another option we were talking about is just breaking it up and putting it into like a plastic bag you can keep in your freezer for, you know, when the kids get home or get in from outside, they can grab a little piece.
Yeah, so it's just ready whenever you guys want a snack.
Yes.
All
right, so you just got to kind of find the edge where there might be some
room to break it.
I got a piece.
Yep.
Oh,
I got one too.
So it breaks fairly easily. And you can break it into however size pieces you like, just like with a chocolate bar.
Yeah, and I absolutely love this because it really is so easy, and it's at the end of the day, I like to enjoy that little sweet treat. So instead of like reaching for ice cream or something, I mean, this is a really, really good substitute.
Yes, I love it. Let's dig in. Cold. There we go. I got some fruit.
It's so good. This is like the perfect combination of sweet, and you have that like nice rich chocolate.
Yes, and that vanilla from the yogurt really complements everything else that we have going on here.
Yeah.
So we hope you give this frozen treat recipe a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.